What's up guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we are talking about a new pre-sale. It's called Chimpzee. It came from a chimpanzee, so it's called Chimpzee. It's a fairly new token in the market. It hasn't been launched, still in the pre-sale, but it has been out for some time now. I've seen it been out for like about a month now. So before digging any further into this, just want to say, subscribe my channel. Please help me get 2,000 subscribers, and once we get there, I will be giving away 10 million Shiba Inu coins. That'll be one of you guys. So one of the subscribers will be getting 10 million. So for your chance to win those 10 million Shiba Inu, please press the subscribe button and you'll be in for it. And this is not a financial advice. This is what I think about this token. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So Chimpzee token, they have already raised about $686,000, and they are doing well so far. At this stage, the price of a Chimpzee token, which is their token, is $0.00067 for a token. So 1 USDT can get you 1,493 Chimpzee, and the launch price of this thing, listing price, is 0.00185. So if you buy it now, you can make some good money at the listing of this token. If you even sell it straight away, you'll be better off. You'll be like making some money out of it. Chimpzee token, how to buy it? So if you go to their website, this is how it looks, and you go to the buy now tab, you press the buy now button and you connect your wallet. So there is different options. There's so many different wallets. If you're using any of those, you can connect them, and yeah, you can buy it straight away. So you put the value, how much Chimpzee you want, and you just pay that much amount of money and you get your tokens. And what I believe, what this is, it's a charity meme coin. It's nothing special. There's been hundreds of coins out there similar to this one, but this has gained some hype. So I've put some money into it, and I believe this can do well, and we can be making some money out of it. So what they do is, it's a charity based thingy. So already they have done some charity work. It says, so it was in the news, Chimpzee plants 20,000 trees, with 1 tree planted to help restore rainforest on the southwest coast of Guatemala. So they have already started their work as a charity as well. They've got many more projects coming up. If you want to contact these guys, there's their Telegram link. They're on the Discord as well, Instagram, Twitter. You can mail them. So there's different ways you can get in touch with the team and ask, what else they're up to, or if you got any queries or stuff, you can talk to them, and they will be, I think, pretty happy to answer your question. That's their story. According to them, in the depth of the African jungle, a legend was born. Max Chimpzee, a brilliant scientist with a heart of gold. You can go through all these things. Their charities are here. So what we'll do, we'll go through the website. So these are the organizations they're working with. 1 tree planted. So this is the one they've already worked with, and they've planted 20,000 trees. They've been featured into these communities, and their team is KYC, but we don't know them yet. So there's a report here. So CoinScope has done the KYC for their team. So that's the certification here, 26th of April 2023. They've been KYC by CoinScope. So we don't know them, but there's some kind of proof that these people do exist, and hopefully they'll be all right. And this is a smart contract audit report as well. So that's the findings by Solidity Finance. You can go through this as well. So there's nothing fancy in there. It's pretty basic what other coins are doing. They're doing the similar thing, but just because of the hype, crypto is all about hype. So people make money. Just Shiba Inu or SafeMoon in the past, they have made a lot of people a lot of money. Only thing was hype. They are nothing special coins, So going further, yes, you can make your own NFTs and stuff, and there's ways you can be rewarded for your NFTs and your, you can play the game. They're going to be coming up with the game soon, and you can play the game and earn some Chimpzee tokens as well. So hey, that's how you can create your own unique NFT. And there you go, Chimpzee ecosystem. So you can shop to earn, play to earn, trade to earn, but all these ways there's a portion of the money which goes to the charity. I think it's around 10%. We'll see the tokenomics soon. So go to the roadmap. So phase 1, phase 2 is claim pre-sale tokens, launch Chimpzee token, launch on decentralized and centralized exchanges. So pretty much they're in phase 2 now, and phase 3, like they've got CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listings coming up in the next phase. Develop staking engine, NFT minting platform, so create Chimpzee swap. So they're going to come up with their own exchange as well. Launch Chimpzee store, and there's many more things happening. Before putting your money into any of the cryptos, just make sure whatever you watch on YouTube is not a financial advice, it's our opinion. Go through all these websites, go through their roadmaps, go through the white papers, read it, do your own research, and then only put your money in. And my suggestion would be, once your money is up, you've made some profit on it, try take a portion out of it. Do not risk all your capital at once. So if you are in the positive side of things, make sure you get your initial investment out and play around with your profits. So that's their tokenomics. 45% for public sale, 15% marketing, 10% exchange and liquidity. There you go. 10% is charity, 10% development, 5% community rewards, 5% for the team, which has been locked for 2 years. So no tax on it, no selling tax, no buying tax, no fees. And that's the symbol Chimps. Blockchain, it's on Ethereum network. Total supply is 200 billion. That's their contract address. So there you go. Main thing, they are a charity based meme coin. So change or be changed, right? And what we mean by that is climate change. If we don't change course, if we don't change our political and economic system, it's going to change everything about our physical world. Guys, this is not any special coin. This is one of the many others in the market, but again, I'm saying it's the hype what makes money for people in crypto, nothing else. There you go. This is what you pay for it now, 0.00067, and this is what when it gets listed. So it's 0.0011. So you will be better off making some dollar on top of your initial investment, and that's about it. So do your own research, get into this project as early as you can. I have put some money into it. I'm looking forward to what gains this is going to make, or what this team's going to do for the marketing and stuff in future. I'll be looking forward to make some money out of this thing, and I hope we all can be happy in the end, as in make money out of these projects. Do subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos. I'll be bringing out more new tokens in the early stages, and we'll be talking about other investment things as well. So I need your support. Subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching this one. Bye bye.